everybody, and welcome to a tutorial. I'm going to be explaining how you can make your very own fleshlight cheap and using very limited resources. What you are going to need is some sort of container. I'm going to use a protein shaker in this instance, 2 regular sponges, a pair of socks, and something rubber. And the only else thing you're going to need is a dick. So what I'm going to do, quite simply, I'm going to get my fleshlight container. I'm going to shove a pair of socks in there. Depending on the size of the penis, you will want to vary your assay sizes. I'm just using this as a brief example. So once I've got that, that's the first part out of the way. I'm going to take my sponge. I'm going to put one down, sponge part facing up, because you don't want to be rubbing against this tough part. That's not going to be good for any penis. I'm going to put the glove just about halfway up the sponge, so you can see it is overhanging there. I'm going to get the other sponge, quite simply. Oh, shit. Put it on top, so you've got a rubber glove sandwich. From there, it's a bit fiddly. You'll get the hang of it though. You want to squeeze your 2 sponges together, cup down, feed the fingers in, force the 2 sponges in, like so, and the bit that's overhanging the edge, the vaginal skin, shall we name it, we're going to cover it over the sides, just like that. You're going to feel your way around, and voila, you have your very own fleshlight. I won't show you a demonstration, I'm pretty sure you can work it out yourself from there, but feel free to make your own. I don't want any videos, but let me know how it went along. Give this video a thumbs up for the cheap fleshlights, so no spending loads of money on them. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.